deal already.
I do too.
I do three, but it's we're just helping. We're just helping them get everything done. I think one of them's here. Yep, one of them's already up here. Oh, check him out. I can't. 1966 Ford F100, and it's got a fuel-injected 302 and a 5-speed. It's set up kind of like a Mustang. Yeah, pull over behind him. I'll go over and talk to him. How about Nardo?
We're gonna put that in this trailer.
Yeah, that's
Put this in on that trailer. Well, we got them swapped on back on the trailer. And this truck came here with that one, and that truck came here with that one. Heck yeah. Well, they made the trade.